Alright, we got another little project I'm working on today. This is my electric dirt bike. Yes, it's very awesome. 72 volt 100 amp system with a 40 amp hour battery. Very nice. We got the standard display. What I'm doing right now is I'm adding a relay to turn the power on and off, because this fine Ryzen controller doesn't have a key on and off switch that seems to work. So I want the key to shut everything off, and I don't want to have to put in passwords. So I'm going to put a relay in the system that cuts the main power, since there's a 12 volt controller in there. So it'll be kind of interesting. I'm still having fun wiring it up. I've got the freaking headlights working, and the turn signals on there. Getting all that wired up too. Looks like an integrated LED unit off a Harley. Kind of cool. And so anyway, I got my work cut out for me. I don't know if I'll video much of the boring stuff, but maybe. Have a good one.